Benefits of meditation. Today, as a huge fan of meditation, I would like to take a little bit of your time and talk about benefits of meditation. But before that, we have to take a few steps back. What is meditation? Meditation is a habitual process of training your mind to focus and redirect your thoughts. The popularity of meditation is increasing as more people discover its health benefits. You can use it to increase awareness of yourself and your surroundings. And many people think of it as a way to reduce stress and develop their sense of concentration. People also use it to practice and develop other beneficial habits and feelings, such as a positive mood and outlook, self-discipline, better and healthier sleep pattern, and even increased pain tolerance. There are many different styles and kinds of meditation, but for now we're going to talk about two major forms of it. One, focused attention meditation. This style concentrates attention on one single object or theme, thought, sound, or visualization. It emphasizes ridding your mind of distractions. Meditating may focus on breathing or a mantra or a calming sound. Two, one open monitoring meditation. This style encourages to broaden awareness of all aspects of your environment, train of thoughts, and sense of self. It may include becoming aware of a suppressed thought, impulses, and feelings. Now that we know what meditation is, we're going to talk about its benefits. Meditation has many advantages, but due to our limited time, we're going to just talk about major and most known advantages of it. One, it reduces stress. Stress reduction is one of the most common reasons people try to meditate. One review concluded that meditation lives up to its reputation for stress reduction. Normally, mental and physical stress cause an increased level of hormone stress in body, cortisol. This produces many harmful effects of stress. For example, these effects can disrupt sleep, depression and anxiety, increase blood pressure, and contribute to fatigue or cloudy thinking. Two, meditation promotes emotional health. Some forms of meditation can lead to improved self-image and a more positive outlook to life. For example, one review of a treatment given to more than 3,000 people, adults, found that mindfulness meditation reduced symptoms of depression. Similarly, a review of 18 studies showed that people receiving meditation therapies experienced reduced symptoms of depression compared with those in a control group. Another study found that people who completed a meditation exercise experienced fewer negative thoughts in response to images compared with those in a control group. Three, it enhances self-awareness. Some form of meditation may help you to develop a stronger understanding of yourself and helping you grow into your best self. For example, self-inquiry meditation explicitly aims to help you to develop a greater understanding of yourself and how you relate to the things and persons around you. In another form, it teaches you to recognize thoughts that can be harmful and self-defending to you. The idea is that you gain a greater awareness of your thought habits, then you can steer them toward more constructive and productive patterns. Four, meditation can generate kindness. Some types of meditation may particularly increase positive feelings and actions toward yourself and others. Metta is a type of meditation, also known as loving kindness meditation, begins with developing kindness, thoughts, and feelings toward yourself. And through this practice, people learn to extend this kindness and forgiveness externally, first to their friends, then acquaintances, and ultimately to their enemies. A meta analysis of 22 studies of this form of meditation demonstrated its ability to increase sense of compassion and forgiveness toward themselves and others. And last but not least, the most interesting benefit of meditation to me is accessible anywhere. People practice many different forms of meditation, and most of them don't require specialized equipment or space. You can just practice with just few minutes daily. And if you want to start meditation, you can try and choose a form of meditation based on what you want to get out of it. Thanks for your time.